Hello and welcome to the Athary Podcast. As we episode I have Bella Rimai. Bella Rimai he model la sai, he entrepreneur la kani. Kala he acting la sai. Interesting sala kaya jeta personality akani. Jeda awi mirinli ana struggle sara kaya kya ka achieve sa kaya kya ka kapakshi awi mirin we krijan itum na tiong mai kangana rong paisa say. Please welcome Bella Rimai. Hi Bella.
Hi.
Bring palikle.
Impadle.
So how do you feel?
A bit nervous, but like comfortable with all about. I reach me get nervous that day.
Mazat laglo ta the free sala kaya.
No, I'm scared of what you're gonna ask.
Muning munay. 24/7 lana we cloud kitchen here.
Iwi yang majid hasai. Like since November last week at how we no. Ngalang gatian zar hide the shakza shimgur shakza ka zang like issue the shim gatali shift kada sa jai de chewing lang zain a pre-order mang khwit la.
Ya hui la kai tum ne. Order rak sa bing ye. Chum la kai na sa thai da sa da clean ni jam ning da ning chodai da.
No, Iwi he so Tada in case if you know Iwi his seafood we need it yeah. So yeah he issue we are cham infal thali la tada that hunger seafood mang we kasama le it like any restaurant ka thala seafood platters ka he you get it only like mostly pre-order ka sa jita ja in high wo jita so like tada I feel like Iwi go shop at them jili iwi photo ada tada ji photo ta ji ho ka or video ta ji ho ka ji ada maybe ji capture kind of cravings rata phale or try sangai tada orders sa le de
aming ka tada
iwi jiang crab and co by B B hin iwi
no initial
yeah
my cha thang order sa lag ya ma ka shoi
sure my ila I mean aja tam ja sa ka I would have like brought it with me ka my it don't class how to product I didn't bring today.
Kim Tham. Thanga, I'll take you out.
Sure.
Okay, we'll come back to that later on.
Okay.
Yari, good job na. Kathai la thai later. Kamma kathai ping bang jo. Bella Rimai he acting na sai. Bella Rimai he aruri presently the cloud kitchen.
Cloud kitchen.
Ari ana run sa le aw mi na. Kathai rum sang hai nila.
A certain part of the period of time actually the modeling jeda see how we shows it na za mai
infal lungilia the we patient la jila
I mean we the acting the hali we ji ba jin chang the ji ba jin interest le mi sa de ji ko acting sai ji it was not planned at all plan sa tham nahi tha the ra ka ta it started off with that Ari the modeling is that the shows ka is that young designer being we jigtaji it was something in a ning chang na kind of so yeah
acting by wang ji the mina thai the ning chang hai the request kra la le lam ning ma
that mai le shimi the atum la promote sangai dia tangu wang hi ji da ra ka ta ila phaning
kai we hi opportunity ma sam phang da sak jang do hona da le de nya chong fu khni ni sam bang de le ji la phai ni jaw ra lam ning ma Kara ji the deal sa ora la tam khui man masa thai sal la
I mean tada kachiban klei da ka hopo ni tangul tu hi da hang khngai ji tangul tu ni matu sho ka ma ba pai thilang ji la
ma
yang la ga itum south by ji ta ko ti la ta nei da min lang
south na sa de la phat tai yang da klei pin yaro in phyo mi la li ba ji
mai yaro in la bab da mi
Okay, every day with Bella he keep on jira.
I mean, Iwi so now being every day Bella is just a regular girl. I do how shimmy that I'm mostly the one who cooks at home. Me being never that mahang samre shim samre the no, oh my god, and then being the my mom is very strict. So so I'm just an ordinary girl. My sashi, iram bashin the taster, strict sana yang the street because that bashin sashi. So I don't get any special treatment for anything. Now lava ka sada yang shimish now ka sada I do that. Lagay to me, you which now round the chung age, now mang size young, she's 7 ages, so I'm the youngest one in a passion age.
Passion side the special treatment
So me no what you putting jilla, cut manning the time they all me no as the passion side the kachiva like kill sang sang young is lumlagan manning the time they don't in a regular shawan shawan like the guy lay me a passion opening but in Palagana. Sabam ito mahili tada freighter's stepmother being the trick because hata kamay
arena train sami the clean
mai
the now the new bang kan kana chung lai rat lej bajim na matam mi thura ga mi moi mathai thura ga now the ya lai pa show nei the lu la ga na now mi ga sami ga now the simban ki atama the simban khai na fa khai na mi sim kru 30 wazang ga za thama mang modeling ga sarono actress ga sarono album ki shooting sa li ga li ro no Hinava Masaba Mra Ihi the Shimlibun for any reason that us in the Sadakli Hiva Iwivang now the Mirin Bang or Manga Muki might de Ihi serious Maxam Sabam responsibility he to the Quiplungra or Makuim Sabai that the realize how Atom Kiatam League that realize how Naklat.
The other Hivi realization curve was hung like
I'm going to look into the
Tada Mayang Maytada after my graduate ko like a master saman tada chigda when the pinning ay like he ari 2000 ya digla I don't remember okay ka actually modeling tada shows kada za katoi da zari watch zingum jia jiwain conflicts kada kada wain hade
okay
tang hai ni jita so tada saman na ka tada either pinning age yang ai he ka even hogo po wain da kada hanga he ubi career we wang ni de he wak klag focus from sam yeah tada he introduce sa kami the evening snow na sa kami yeah my good friend Yule Chan yeah so ana introduce sa kami ne he music album ka thadi ka jang hila
Snow being here the ma, the American Nui Legala, the atom the Ning here attack me, the Aka. He Mutemu here the Kanjali Plungi Tai in a sign of Pningaya.
By a time that 21 Gada anymore had the
Talanglans are kind
my like a million we that you be Karachi to watch at them when I forgot.
Serious about Hanila took my depending on Hanila. Okay, Bella, the Kivine album, music video album, money, like the cinema, actress, Kivine massage like.
Yeah, no, what's hyping, but he for album manga can me most Simisho Kaisho, Simisho Aka. Is that so like my other one day could sang a bite could sang on waiver. Like a miracle family punga had the 2 days. Just had the media. So just had like a had the short age, young whole day, when Hopogora, like a evening had the singeing thing they call by that had the Sara, then Kim may the no upper side take at the be effective right. Like a Kazam name needed to Kazam name, so help the problem with Rarage and not Kiram time we cover. Like a Jimangnam Ning the movies he eat had the Hampung ay yang ili o kata hanga opportunities ko chung mi yang offers hang yang movies ngao sei da ka I movies chung va mang ngao kai da va da tong de hang chega I album mi la kata hanga simjwa kani lang the patience ya so movies we had a baggage I don't think I have that malay mrao ni de like on top of that itum na the acting kata sai jim na I don't I don't think I'm like cái thằng nữa acting cái thằng đi mà chả cái sao thế là cái nào athung expectation cái nào mày chỉ cái mami rơm này là thật là phần nhá cái movies cái thằng chẳng rồi thật là ít plan nó sao phong này movies nhau gì mày
thật là nó sang phong trên này
mày movies chẳng là mang nhau phong này đó mang nhau cho nên nào
experience với t-shirt đã hang rồi gì cả tiêu mày cái đó cinema industry that no, what's our high Chinese? Palmy two jackets, me two jacket hang was Kira. Entertainment industry.
Kapava get drunk the lay, Mokapa had the exposure of Tlagans and Bangyang, like my had the Kate mean the tea queer, or that you be exposure that was some pangay. Like Mokapa, really low. He the hung neatly young. Then you experience I never just had the experience actually like I actually lim the jack of thing that my I have no common thing.
Okay. Kim tham.
My ka cái ta hàng artist being underpaid cái sao vậy là
okay.
Yeah, I think may but then again khi ba lim pin bay liang chứ cái producer cầm thằng cái claim ning mà
as ile themai ile shabai ria so I hyak khava ile hyak va miran sei sambang ran sei bai tyo leo mo en ji ba ji
ma Manipuri you be never actually to be industry never ngati is it uncle
level ja
level
te hang aura no way honest answer ko then movie music movie album thang ro za yeah or the any even actually the show we vangina ki ga ji no income jin na ka changa ga the na service la ji we ungzang the income jin na manage sa ship la ka changa ka
yang ji for example ji jimang realize ha la ka ring cover I don't think itum actors ko chung nei issue tang ko lian the project ko chung khu la sang ko chung I think da tum income akaba le hai
pai la ga na the sa ship
ne le hai ne
contact ji ka chung da le ka va project ji atam we t-shirt routine ji matha la ga na maintain sa la ga sing ga zat ga sa da le ka va pai la ga na da mena sa ship ji ne ji la opportunity va le ji ne lei wing chai le ka chung ga le ji la business ta da le na la po track option track le ji la ne le the risky sa mai tu ji cloud kitchen ki fine ka bang ji la
cloud kitchen hi I started with 5,000 rupees ka hang ga dai ki ning sang phung ji and mai ka hang ning sang la ka the ka chung ga in a thei ji la seafood shai ngai la hai ni chung le ji la ka atang ka ta hang ra itum hi ba we chef bing na the ki me hang ga thei seafood ka ta nem trying specialize sala ga na hang ga thei ji thau ja ka mazang sai wo je ka ila I go out a lot okay ka za ga thau hi so like thada ji I we thei we go
no experience
mai jai da I thada relation ishi family ka thau li na hang mi ya la ga ji thada ing snow li na hang mi la ga ji bai na ji wi ra ka ta nei ji la so and then thada very lum shan yai da ji ra mo yang thada hog phog we ne it went very well matla ga na la bai ya
manga khoi le wat
mai and then I thada shimni pam da klei ne he ka da album ka thang rau ga jila ra pak malim da thada I'll do this yang for the time being they thada hog phog ne ka thada hog phog la ka it went very well thada much sang mak le yang mi ga chung ga le sa je yeah so thada va then customers bring da ai sa khwai pam
okay shai
sorry shai ma pam jilas hai mi lo da they started requesting and then you'll not believe he in fact go in sadak de hi manju bukri when sadak de ko if customers bring je moirang hang moirang ni le ye ara kila ka sek mai ka tha ba tai ye pam ta nat mai ta ka wen le sa jit la so is la o la ga tum bing jil da thang ji do order ma saru jil la yang pam tai da so hada apam chak wa dining option hai mi lo la hang mai so ji chuai na chili focus side da but they sa ne so that the hopefully rain le shi mi da ji kam ma show mi bai
ra sa ri no ting bang na lai ho bong le ga
ting bang ai ho bong ne thật the first thật the cái ta hàng cái trung cầm lô sang cái mà hai mươi coi gì á, cái pocket mày, ý packaging sao cái vậy, ở cái khuya, là cái chỗ này seafood cái lô khuya, cái mày side cái mày thà lô khuya là cái, thì thật cái pocket này.
Swiggy lim sambang.
Swiggy lim sambang này, so
separate thật the Google lisang là cái, type sao?
He Instagram page mang này á, so I actually got kila cái Zomato vậy này li. Collaborate sa sa issue likla ka enroll sa lo da ile call sar sayang ashi ji ka as hi hang naga so sa da ile de contact was high ji liang ka ar ta da ngazek man na ka ta da hangra ashi wi hi ashi commission na ga jaw na hag ji la so atang ji wi issue raise ka sa tam ni ta da atom wi suggestion hi na portion ကြောင်းမြောက်လို့
นั่นเสียมนักเลยจ้ะ
ไม่ portion จังไม่เอาโลso that อีวางไม่ชิมันไปแต่หางจิตละใช่นี่นะใช่นี่อีอังกอยต่างให้เนี่ยไม่ because fair it's not fair for the customers
ไม่ชง
ใช่งั้นอะไรกันใช่
ไม่ชง
ไม่ so จะต่างให้นี่
อีทุ่มแต่เลยมีวางแล้วมันทิ้งมันสักวันนะ customer เลยเขาคิดว่าหนุ่ยเลยจีมังงะอดมังงะไปได้แค่นี้
yes แล้วก็ต่างไปสาวแควร์จะวีมันใช่เนี่ยตามสักก็ว่า it's not fair for them ใช่อีน่ะmassageเนี่ย
แต่ก็ยังได้เคยก็เลย podcast เรื่องนั้นได้เคยเป็นตั้งหัวหน้าอีกทีอินฟาลิบได้เคยเป็นมันไม่มีเสีย grab and go by b Instagram เลยสมองไรเช่นน่ะเอาไว้seafood จะเทสสามีโล feedback ละให้เมียสาวเลยแต่ที่ไม่ข้างสังให้เขา
thank you
you're welcome ตั้งที่ไม่ข้างเลยก็นั่นน่ะมีน้ำมันที่แต่นั่นน่ะonline class ก็ได้คุยแค่เลยละก็สักจากก็หังวิมันนี่ก็แต่mentor คุยอาจึงนี่แต่ class เจ้ามันนี่เลยละแต่นั่นเลยฮีแต่ที่ไม่ทำมีแค่ท่าเลยละ lesson
จีก็ท่าคลำเลยเนี่ย
มาเลยมันแต่จุดละกันนั่นแต่
ไม่ so อี high school ก็ท่าก็ทำยังอัพสัตว์ละแต่หาง healthy ท่าน่าใส่จีก็กระชายก็ท่าวิจารณ์นิ่งสังไหนแต่อันที่ท่าอัพcollege ท่าว่าได้สัตว์ละยังปั๊มมือคิดไม่ก็ใช้ก็ได้อีวันนิ่งสังนานจิตละso จีวันนั้นเขาพกแล้วก็ท่ามีนักหังก็ท่าไหน watch a lot ยังแล้วก็ท่าอีกแล้วแต่ใน imagine สักวิจิโลกฮิว flavor ที่นี่ยังแล้วก็ฮิไป mix สักก็ว่าไม่ฮิไปใช้ผ้าแมวยังจิตท่าเลยพกจิตละ so จะวันท่าชิมเนี่ยหังพกแล้วก็ชิม family เป็นใจสัง
ท่า self taught ลังแต่ขลังนั่นตามมีขลังนั่นคิดแล้วสับ
then if family เป็นนะ they will be the judge of it ใช่ก็โอเคใช่ไหมแต่ว่า
seafood ยิ่งใจเลยแต่นั่นวิ favorite ที่นี่จ้ะ
I like crab
okay เรื่องจังละ
ไอ้ตั้งก็ใช่สิ
นั่นวิ cloud kitchen grab and go by BJ the เขาบอกใครวิธีรันซับบอกใครทีเลย what is the biggest shock experience of it
first แต่ละครั้งอ่ะcustomer จ้าเลยสายthe expect ไม่ทราบตรงนั้นเขาบอกเลยก็จะทำthe demand เลยก็ใช่อีกแล้วแต่เนี่ยก็ต้องก็แต่ละครั้ง manage ก็ใช่ it was very hard yeah so after the first week อี staff ก็ให้จุด someone to help me yeah clean all that thing ก็ before that I clean the seafood myself I make the sauce myself pack myself
ก็ต้องกันมั้งหนึ่งสั้น
เนี่ยหนึ่งสั้นเนี่ยแล้วก็ delivery ไปหนึ่งก็ได้ยังแบบในหนึ่งสั้นเนี่ยจุดแล้วก็ I don't ask แล้วก็ไม่เมื่อกี้อิชาวุ้ยชาบาลงแต่ฟรีซ่าสาก็ว่าฮิไปคกมีเลยจ้ะฮิไปสั่งจนชื่อจิตถาม but apart from that จังเนาะทั้งคลีออเดอร์ทรัคแต่ละตาให้อิมังมัน manage มันสารจิต so จังเนาะ my staff ก็ยังแล้วก็ help สั่งสักไปแต่ราซังก็จะทำนี่ว่า it was fine but oh my god เนาะปั๊มหัวแต่มันเลยจิต on a busy day especially on weekends
Saturday Sunday
ไม่ Saturday Friday วันนั้นเขาบอกไงเนี่ย Friday Saturday Sunday ฮี so Sunday ว่า pre-order มั่งคุยละคันนี้มั่งที่แบงค์เลยอิชาวุ้ย she says no business on Sunday มั่งยาท่าจีจังนะแต่อินอเมริกาเลยนี่ก็สุนัขวินี่จะหางไงที่ว่า order นี่
excuse ก็พาจี
จะท่าเด้อซะ so busy ท่าเด้อ orders ก็จงทั้งที่ว่า like ปั๊มจังไว้ you don't get time to sit down
okay
so งั้นนี่แล้วก็ซายัง so yeah ถ้าจีใช่ก็ it's like ก็แต่ละครั้งก็ lesson ว่าก็ช่วง learn สักกุยยัง and then so ก็แต่ละครั้งก็เนี่ย your time management มันทีมก็ไม่สบายผมไม่จะบ้าจะไม่สบายนักเนี่ยแต่ก็ไปสายละ yeah you have to calculate okay he
ก็ต้องค่ะ
ไอ้ทำ business กับคุณนี่มัน it was very hard okay
ไม่ใช่จะได้
ไม่แล้วก็แต่ละครั้งก็ชิมเนี่ยตั้งthe money manage ก็ใช่ให้เนี่ยมันห้ามเนี่ยว่าจะปังจีเราว่าจะได้ใช่ไหมไม่ so it was hard ก็ when I started he เขาก็พูดกับตำรวจ I had to maintain all the records and all that thing so อีบางวันที่ learn ซะกุยเนี่ย okay so he had the business he had ซะละมั่วจีจึงเท่าวิตามกุยยังแล้วก็ I mean had the sense of pride ว่าได้จีละ okay like I'm earning my own
มาสร้างเลยก็แบบ
ไม่เที่ยวสามเนี่ย
Sunday รักให้เหี้ยไม่อยากจะทำมันในชาติละว่าสักเลยละ Sunday เลยว่ามาจัดโลกจีบาชิเนี่ยมาสักไปเลยจีเลยละ masak baji tada masa bayra no ki kama thamne ka Sunday bang samna mi ko mo mi sho Monday to Saturday atam mi ya Sunday hi tada mam ya plung jini shabala
mai la issue ba jimang ne ni ishabu mayang tada ishabu na hange sam sa te sa de Sunday jang hi ba ki dam sa lo mya ga ya lam shok lo ishabu jai ne hi ing sno bing ne tum plan sa la Sunday plan bang sa ji
Sunday hi ma sang ba
ni mya ne ye Sunday joy ishabu
calendar wa ko shok lo jo Sunday ba hi
ni dai dai da yang thormak church ma ka sa la ngazin ma ko da shim ko sam sa te sa la sa ku la ka mai ngarum la ka pa mi ji wa awini nge chang sai diang na da
okay adang ina kikla first Bella wemram ni gang ni magang ak zangai re yaro ni pyo mi re Bella Rimai hi tangkul hundung wen ne ya cover kasang rai ram ni pamga maning ka infali bum khai sa do
Asiang thada infali pa me idum rarika li rarika mai ram ri pak ma nyang meragli Christmas ka da or pani ka da sa tam chila hardly
okay
ji ninga pak ma ni shi ram ni ba
okay yari ne magathai the sagashi jiraga o tada nali chot me thi ja ga jiraga tada no experience aga yari ne mathai gi experience aga hang logic ki experience raji
sakshi me tui ji va khila ga hi ne the I wang me ji khila ga mathai yang go
okay
cuz at the same time tada karnao ping ni explain cloud kitchen ni ji he tada hang experience hashina yang so like atuna bam da thuma da kata hang na da to me feedback tada comedy li to response she sometimes it's very ning tiao sak ju le ji ya okay ka sang le ji ka da hang ra khai ra hang yo le da ma so cloud kitchen the hi jen le ma thei thu mo so like atum restaurant cafe thei la cloud kitchen ki lem thei ni ji la so she with the hang chik ta
okay
my cup he ni ju ba I have
so re tada pai la kan ham nyolo kharo hang ne sili ide korbung ala sang ang ngom to jili lang mi da hang ga to mang thi la khano bin je explain ma sa thi la ta hang la ko phap da
ira now bin na I hang sa yang ne ki sa ne Ishawana Bella khai ra hang la ju so yeah this was the expense ha cloud kitchen the expense ha shi na je
ring shina kai dum de tada naklat ta gutum sa da ka chep ka chara ta khai ka tham le
okay I know you reach the 20 to 30 we middle era tai mai ada kada hangra sudden ninji
shifts always
mai and then like he ada care free sala kai nila maring pai thom de ya mai he we zingum hi nga chai live we have to get serious sala kai na we mirin resu reno or like anything myang no nakla to we paisa ka tan we no chu ra maragli ji thada ra ya da ta ya bak pi le la ka no we chu ra ka ta we
ma pi bai
mai
da kusira kai na Bella go grab by Bella abi no we killer clock kitchen is the shimana lo athiao lo na tada kisai la iva tada mai khya ko jing sai re ta hangai ra ga maning ga ba ki hangai ra
thim thi sangai ne ya
mai
order ji aro khuda ma mirror sa la pre order khul ka tha de at least ka da sangai da sa da clean but my tada in case tangai sa la I'll still be very proud of myself yang I did something there at the meeting now the ka thai ji da thai mi rung ne thai sa de oh crap and go na we la ji tha ga ji ta so da the sense of pride will always be with me
mai chiva mashman lo mai ji Bella li shi we kharchan ke sa ga mam ya
that's him ya
independence sala ga no ok thi shnaw hi atum ni da yaro naw bing approach masa ngai mane da tio me ka avoid sa we ka tring khang ji tha lai la
he we experience mang ning liang. I'm not saying that he fully independent ni jim ning go, but my jega iklata weaver. I'm not asking money from anyone anymore, yeah. So that I'll count it as independent ni jo ka. Imang lam ning ni isha chon iwi atung chang yang she's an independent woman.
Okay.
So are we in the observe sa ko legit la. Even with my experience as well. Thada mir na pingi, but I don't think jiji gotong hui wang ning sai. Okay, there are some men mir na kai cover they straight up approach you, but then mostly me kachung may never approach mishar gada hangra sagi jiji Katring la. I don't know the exact word, but may
Katring kangachi
yang tada. But then I think that's because rejection ngachi kangachi the zang yang like or like she already has it of arahi the chiwi comparison ang like yang the chiwi he like the reject side what if she doesn't need you know or a man chiwi kita khali yang like as he aklatan na wala hangra he ning gatiao jere me na oli
okay ning gatiao
me aklatan ice he will lambam ning ni ya chiwi ga paning we ja ya ji le la like me na onda like try sa no we like when in the approach and talak
Kimang tumbum ji.
Nga tumbum na kana klata ma nga ay hi hang na mam ya. Hi willi willi.
Valga kamung no la.
Oh masala. Ni mang ni mi daga I mo ke da ko ta do ka. But le.
Le ya.
Ina yang approach sa gi ji tring out na yang. Ji we la ka da ka na ata mir na la phong ko mi kai ka ego le the male ego ja ji la le pam ka na mi kai ka insecure ka na side la la sa khre
careerly focus mak sam sa paimra atam nei da da chi tha wangai na or we wangai na the election only pang khai ka tha or give up sa khai ka tha break up sa khai ka tha ting shit sa khai ka tha chi tham malai malai
relationship it's between me and that person yeah at the katay hiva nana kata handle sak like depends on yeah family reno or like the way career reno like balance sala kind of clag sak it doesn't affect akada affect samne just how the for that to work balance is like right nine and a partner I think it's very important you communicate properly yeah should understanding budget like now communication but like in communicate misak here Akhar na akhar when the side when a problem with you thara ta shunu so like chi liao dan trust like that yeah I think it's easy you can like easily hada ka tonka handle side shopping the thing but then sa shop yeah
the hang kong ro kshok zang share ka sa ma khang thum transparent ka sa ya na ri main sala ka na full time mi dekhlai ji focus mi dekhlai ji no cloud kitchen ni nei ji lam ta chi ki tha we pressure chi ki tha we ta chi we orting rojin na ta na li chok mi jira ga pressure ji na mer mi jira ga mling ka ta ru rin wang na phni res ka pa atam na sa ta chi ki tha we emotion pressure ji na mer mi chung mai hak mai chok mai jira
tha da ari shim ga pan ga da we give thad iklat na va ja ka usam ka ta hang pressure iklat na ja ka mami samne ji lia ka the friends ka da family da itum we had the thought la ja difference ma ga sa bin yang shim pan ga da chi da le pam la ka issue we shabu wa long thad issue siblings ping la issue we siblings la kai ka thak ba ka na pan hai sang kai ka na hui da pan hai sang chai da ara thum me advice you we zingum here in what few years zinguma kani hili shim pan wai sao do best no we wang best timing right hina da ji we advice kami da sang jitla
27 28 29 30 31 ta hi da ra khai hi na imam ji le ma ya ta ka tong kha khang ja ta da rin sa bong le series aura phaning pogawra chungzo pogawra kisa la ka yok thu ra kisa wa bong le de le ka te arma family ka bilap ka sa je ka sem ji ya kim mai la ka chung zong ho ta da just shi la ga sak za khai jin ku kaim ning nei je ra sak sa ta ya yan jing da
Iwi benchmark namang som ni jitla sada karna yang 30 ka high or like 31 32
nan lik tio kar maybe
mai it hada ngaso laga iwi on zingum ngasno ping na shakza hai le go yang like jimning na even hada khangso in close hang mai ping na shakza hai chung le jitla so join dara laga shim korin la of course pressure le mi yang like mai hivag liver or like nem yeng nào trên mình lấy chứ
quira mi lo
amai miao lo ba lo đây là cái thật là hàng ra mình bây giờ we side người chi bấm yang cái thật là there are days yang thật là mà phần ninh khulak là chỉ thật là ninh gì mình order cái sa khang sa kia ninh cái tiêu là tiêu khung sắc là cái
chỉ đấy
thật là ít là phần ninh yang cái phần ninh mà cái haro hon thật là mà thấy khulak là zingum jara shimpan cái zingum bata cái đấy but happening cái brain là thật chứ vậy I feel like if it's God's timing thật ra ta sai được phần ninh như vậy yang là ít khulak tên plan cái gì if it's not his plan kita phung ngay the plan sai sa liang mi khumoi the plan sai sa la awi plan ngate ai sai ka batha da anam me ngate dara taom
legacy jina replung ra leila maninga ot hina replung ra kaji ban ri ra no mirin
Ari jam hiva I don't like relationship limning da my work will always come first yang ka for me if I'm in a relationship I give like a huge priority to that person but yeah I reach a machine kapan meaning the akra meaning the end of the day family come first yeah like may after shimpan hain of your husband is your first priority yeah each
okay tada thukna awathe khai thai anyway serious sana li khai thai jada lekshi khrisan sa ka bing ni ka the pning sa ne rapid fire round ne
okay
ma pning lo mam chuk lo no winning ni rakta khung tok rakta first answer ji your love marriage or arranged marriage texting all night or late night food dates
if that's possible
one true love or many meaningful connection
one true love
a jealous partner toxic or cute
toxic
career driven partner or emotionally available partner
emotionally available
long distance love yes or no
nope
forgive cheating once or never public affection or private romance dream collaboration with Tangkul artist
Chan
love before 30 or focus on self first
before 30
Tangkul celebrity crush
Angel Shimra
single or taken
single
Chibaji mang thum lak ne
mai Ari jam wi bang
Ari jam punga tam mitran wi ba
I mean presently I'm single gachune
okay chodai ra I sam ngai hi thai jidam thani da shumkhurli kipang sara da na jihan ka pai ka jihan mi ji kipang sara
so sa hi mahanganga a little backstory tada ayar like for tada achon tang conflict shot am jibane kai laga I was out ayar yang doing working in corporate job
okay
family mam ya lag nei but ishimahan ongi kasi gajli pam laga ikhlatan hada saga kasi pam ke the convince saga for laga ijili yeah about 7-8 months pam so yeah but then yeah truly I went through a phase which was very very hard for iwi zingumaina or for a girl iwi wang yeah like I don't even paning ngai lim ne ka ya je sa like the first person yang ina hangi je he iwi shim kro ne isha chon iwi tungjang yang ali ne my go to person yang anything wearing a parla or any accomplishment or anything ali first line mai ali I thago I'll even cry chapla ka le yang
oi mong ali ba
ya me ali ba shon
azra sung da manerim da ning pala gaina da ning num la gaina ngaweng ko gaina no isaran jili da focus al ga sar le akha shong la da manage sal ga da chat le ung da le ba da le ga ton kan nakla da nam tha da manage sal da hi ki na maram le jira da li kin na ka da ki motivate sa ho mirin li kin na main da maram sal ga what keeps you grounded
I mean kada hanga atamak live the you rely on other people, okay, for such thing. But now it's iklata. I am like Bella. I'll be the reason to keep myself motivated. Yeah, like. Oh, for as long as you like to be happy. Yeah, I think I'll say yeah to be happy. To like you've gone through the different phase of life, so are you find it this so like no ring part like geez how I do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kamushung lesson naka da as we podcast li yang mi your viewers ping na da klay atum ping da no we interla kai lesson life lesson naka mi logic ka chi tha lesson mi ngai
shima panang lagava always prioritize your family, yeah. Naga listen to your mom.
Avuling na
important sign ay especially shino ibang yeah. Shima panang lagava. Okay, when you're still young, teenage, no, we may after adults hala young adults I don't think it will be back that hangra decision quick we capacity he jaka klaka ba shungla kind of mux quit here so you still need guidance and no we nishavunda she'll never advise you something which is no we zakshi why advise me so listen till then ibeje hangai
okay
like whatever nari ning maringa pa or like the mirin we face ka the zakshlag hai maringa pa ka hangra words ka hangra
face ka jiba hi
thada ari cham we ring the maringa pa leis halala yang personal life or anything maringa pa leis halala ningli thada or after zingam khani liver he thada same samre or after hapta khani or kachang khani liver ari in the maringa pa he thadam samre ngate ai sari always yeah think that like chi thada ka phaning here ning maring pa sala ka jono sweetang sakte
okay
yeah if it's had a phaning age for example iliari thada what akhana or like relationship or no or thada your personal life ka they we're no family may leis hala thada chi thada tam khara tam ni iwa ai ari thada inning mer ga pham ne yang thada honna khoi mang ne atam athi shoda hi thadam salim me ngate yaw re hi mai hi tangaw re ji iklatena convince ha ku le ya that I carry on jiga ari imlung wa ne ashim ngazin ma chi thada mulung wa sari jim le ni jilla like thada zarai sari jilla yang so in case like severe sana the like your the ningmeng ga phag tha le sa la like atam ngai thi should that will go away sada zal phongi le bung hai ne ji ari phaning gui ka ka swida me la tang ne meng ga je ai tha ga wa atam jin thada class ha ku no chunga dam phaning sange ji ta ta sange
Bella lining shik zanga ta ya na we mirin we tada na we how po journey na ari sa da klai or na we cloud kitchen maram le ki phak shik chok zong maram na teu mai kan na share sa mi ta ning ka thrai na share sak mi je da ring phai ya na Bella we future sa le da klai sa ki da le da klai ko tong le da I wish you best of luck.
Thank you so much. Hora ka mi wang na think shilak ko
ning shing rock sa. This was the Athary Podcast. Thank you for joining us once again.